the local legend. His head's getting bigger by the day, but yeah.
Sorry to interrupt this video, but Reet Series is this Friday and Saturday. You don't want to miss out on it, so get down there, head to keeperreet.com to get some tickets.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Keeper Reet YouTube channel, to another Kang episode. We are down here at Calder Park Raceway with another Reet rundown. Standing beside me is no other than the one and only LZ World Tour Oz winner, Gary Marton.
How you going,
mate?
Good, bro. How are you?
Thanks for joining us on the show, mate.
My pleasure.
So yeah, if you live under a rock, this is Gary Marton. This is his Skyline, and he won LZ World Tour Calder Park a couple weeks ago.
Marton's starting to pull a bit of a gap here. Marton's out on the wall. They're both on the wall. Fun is what drifting should be. It should be a good time. It should be an amazing time for.
Yeah, we're gonna do a Reet rundown on his beast behind us. Who are you and what is this?
My name's Cam, I'm 26. I've been drifting since 2016. I've been doing competitive drifting since 2018. Yeah, I just like to drive my car and do stupid things and have it, you know, loud and fast and making big bangs and flames.
A lot of big bangs.
Yeah, that's it. I just love cars, I love drifting, so
yeah, sick.
That's who I am.
Show us your car. What do we got here? What's the weapon, the Chariot?
The Chariot. So it is a street registered 94 R33 Skyline. It's a built RB25. It's 1 mil oversized, so it's 2.6 litre. ITBs.
So it's an RB26?
It's basically an RB26.
It's basically an RB26.
Yeah. Does have a few small cracks in the block, which we'll talk about that later.
All right, we're diving too much into the engine. We'll get there. But obviously, 4-door 33, very street vibes. A keen viewer would notice that the car was silver, then he painted it blue for like 2 events, then he painted it silver again. What, I didn't like the blue?
No, like, so I've had a silver car since I was 17, a silver Skyline in the same silver, and it felt like me. I wanted to do a little bit something different, change the color, because I was doing a full refresh on the car. It just didn't feel right. Didn't feel like it was my car.
Fair enough.
And then, so I did an open door respray painting the blue, and then like 2 months later, I painted it silver again. Like, I shot myself in the foot, but you know, it was a bit of a journey that I enjoyed, so.
How many hours do you reckon this car owes you of your life?
I don't even want to think about it.
Well, outside of the car, what are we looking at? What's the body kit? Walk us through it.
A random fiberglass bonnet, which I used to hate the vent, but now I actually love it.
Looks cool.
Yeah, I'm happy. It's a GDR, no vents front bar from K-Mac. Stock front guards, just stock M-Spec skirts, side skirts. And then we got GDR rep pods with a Mad Aero wide body on it, which is discontinued, so I need to really keep them clean because.
Where'd you get it from?
I got it from Russia. Russia? Yeah, they don't do them anymore. They've gone out MIA, so I wonder why.
Skyline panels are so hard to get. I couldn't believe it. I'm used to working on my S14 and there's just over fenders everywhere, cheap parts everywhere. Then Skylines, you're trying to find kits or over fenders and stuff, and it's so hard. But
yeah, I need to keep these clean because we want to try to do a mold of them and make kits so we can sell them, which would be dope. So if you got a 4-door Skyline, just wait a little bit, and might get something special happening.
Cam's got a bad habit of making his car look really clean, and then first event out just getting absolutely wrecked.
Yeah, it's a common trait of mine I don't like to have, but it tends to happen. So
that's pretty much it. Pretty basic-ish. Obviously, we got the livery. There's a lot of sparkle going on in the paint. What's that? Is that glitter?
Yeah, so it's a KR4 silver, which is the stock color for a Series 2 R33 coupe, and I wanted to make it a bit more standouty, so I slapped some DNA metal flake into the clear coat. I also did paint it and did all the prep work with helps of like Bailey, Zach, Jesse, and Cade. Just that little bit extra of spice, you know, to make it look a little bit better in certain lights, and it came out awesome. I'm happy as
it's very cool. So Gary here used to have one of the best sounding cars in the drift scene in Australia. It was very, very crispy. And so, yeah, what's going on here? Talk us through this.
So, yeah, I had an insane like sounding side exit out of the rear quarter. And when I refreshed the car with the over fenders on it, I didn't want to cut a hole into my over fenders that I can't get anymore. So I'm like, you know, it's gonna be a sick event for LZ World Tour. Let's do a hood dump, which will like go nuts for the crowd. Crowd will love it.
Because the event's at night,
yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. I thought the event was at night. And once I did the exhaust, cut the hole, then I got told, I'm like, oh no! Crap. Tonight's gonna be insane. People are gonna love it.
Yeah, good fire, good bangs, but the note, questionable.
Nah,
Insert a clip of his car with either the rear quarter exit or just straight out the back. It was pretty crispy.
It sounded so good. It used to sound so good because I had 270 Tomei cams in it.
Ooh.
And it would like, it had a certain note from like 4,000 RPM to 8,000 RPM. It was like just crisp and it sounded mint. I got stock cams back in it now with VCT and it just killed the note. But drives 10 times better, so.
That's a
nice trade-off.
competition winning car right
That's
here,
it, yeah, that's it. Like it's honestly not far off being a street car still. Like it's still got like stock rear end sort of thing. Like it's just got a GDR drive shafts, couple adjustable arms, and then the front's just got Black Arts knuckles in it, as well as like notched LCAs, which I made, and subframe moved forward, and you know, a few parts, you can probably put this thing back to full reg and had a roadie for it.
It is crazy how simple, like, and how little it does take to make these cars go so well out there drifting. It's very cool. Wheels, obviously, work VSXX.
VSXs. So we got 17 by 9s on the front with a plus 15.
Oh, you staggered.
Yeah, boy.
Oh,
yeah.
oh.
And then 18 by 9.5 plus 22 or something. I don't even know. It's some random
Got
size.
wheels, they're shiny. Not bad.
Yeah,
not bad.
they need a refresh. They're looking pretty sad at the moment.
Enough about that. Let's pop this bonnet. Show us the goods. Show us the goods.
It used to look real good, but now it looks pretty nasty. And this is for a P-plater thing right here.
Yep. Engine, 25, all the mods you need. You got some rocker covers that used to look better.
Yeah.
It's like they've been on and off a few times.
Yeah, they have. So it used to look awesome too because it had the 26 cover on it when it had no VCT.
Yeah.
So it looked like a full GDR motor, like 26, but shall I talk about the specs of the motor?
Rapid fire, go.
Rapid fire. So it's got a modified head, valve springs, stock cams now, been modified to suit the ITBs.
ITBs is in the factory RB26 RTB intake manifold for those.
Individual throttle bodies.
Yes, that one.
JE pistons, spool rods, PRP oil pump with the spline gears, a few cracks in the block which are held on by JB Weld, which that's pretty much it actually. It's really not that much.
JB Welder block, and how much power, how much boost?
350 kilowatt at 30 PSI.
Oh, she's turned down a little bit.
Yeah, at 30
because of the
PSI.
cams.
I think the ITBs are killing it, because I have CP2 Performance, they've said they have similar motors and so on that boost, like way more, 40 kilowatt. Well, this is nothing different as the ITBs. And because it's a 25 head, the ports are actually different to the ITBs. Ports, there's a bit of a drop off in there, and it could cause some sort of velocity stack crap, something.
Dang it! Anyway, engine behind that.
It's got an extreme twin plate clutch.
Yep.
And then it's got a Speedtech close ratio gear set, which is pretty old now, so looking to get that changed up pretty soon.
Shout out Speedtech.
So it's got a Speedtech high mount manifold on, which is actually, he's branded it CM manifold as for Cam Marton, which is really funny.
Yeah, I have seen that. The Gary Martin manifold.
Yeah.
You want your car to sound crispy, get yourself.
Hey, I don't get royalties for this, so I don't trust that. Garrett G3576, supplied by CPG. Then a Turbo Smart 45mm wastegate, and then obviously just a 4-inch dump out the bottom. It's just got a Haltech Elite 2000. Oh shit! And split-fire coil packs, which aren't.
What's going on here?
So,
What do you mean, Gary?
the car that won the biggest drifter in Australia won it like this.
Does that stay on there?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Why don't you put a bolt in it?
I just forgot. I forgot again.
This is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're in the cockpit. Walk us through it, mate. We've got some comfortable chairs, seats, I should say.
It's got some brides in it, as well as a 6-point cage by 21 fab. Hydro handbrake for GK Tech, dual caliper setup.
The old Haltech dash.
The IQ3 street dash, so you can
NRG quick release, naughty wheel. It's sick. Big wheels. Yeah, sick.
But
Standard street car vibes, comfortable.
pretty comfortable.
Gets the job done.
Drives good. Like it drives like butter.
Yeah.
So-
Looks like it handles very nicely.
Yeah. Shout out to those Black Arts knuckles.
Coilovers.
Like 7 or 8 year old Petters Extreme coilovers, which have been like 3 major crashes. Like they go in.
Perfect. So when are you getting some Shockworks in?
Yeah, he's actually hit me up, so we're trying to get them done for the next year. So
Yeah, our boys Shockworks making it happen.
pop the hood. Ah, boo.
We got no engines!
It's a bit dirty. Twin
mate,
pump.
it's just a standard street car. Nothing to
street
see
car.
back here.
Officer, what are you
What's
talking
this?
about?
What's this?
Yeah.
What's this? What's this?
It's just a rear bash bar that me and Grubby made up at his house real quick.
What is going on here?
So shout out to Grubby again. He's an absolute legend, one of the major sponsors who always looks after me. And then we got the Raceworks twin pump surge tank. Raceworks also a massive supporter, jumped on board just recently. So super stoked to be on their team. Bond battery up there, about 6 years old too.
That battery belongs in a museum. Might have to get a fresh Optima in there.
Optima, surely, slab my lunch.
All right, so there you have it. Cam's LZ Tour winning vehicle. Any sponsors you'd like to thank?
Elite Auto Garage, Niche and Nelly down there, sorting us out for tyres for LZ plus for next year. CPG, Custom Performance Garage there in Keysborough, another massive one. They helped me out massively, supplying me a Garrett plus all the tuning and just, I spent like a week at their workshop prior to LZ World Tour getting this thing done. Massive thank you to Raceworks. Then we got Two Step Garage, 21 Fab, Hypergear Body Shop, Flash Panels, and
Low Key Constructions.
Low Key Constructions. We got Cube, Jet Automotive.
So, and where can people find more of Gary himself?
Right here, Cam Marton Drift.
Cam Marton Drift. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Check him out, show some support. He's absolutely killing it. The local legend. His head's getting bigger by the day. But yeah, we'll now insert some shots of Gary absolutely shredding Friday night drifts down here, Calder Park. FD layout, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for coming on the show, mate.
Thank you, mate.
Is there anything else you want to say?
Massive thank you to my partner and my parents. I couldn't do it without them, so they're the #1 supporters always.
Shout out the supporters.
Deb and John Kalani, best.
All right, bro, go get it.
And thanks, keep it Reet.
I came from my kidneys and I'm trapping like I'm Whitney. Yo, bitch with me, now go see it missing. Hold up, who you dissing? I said, hold up, got my glizzy, bang, bang.
Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Oh,
Yeah, I got it.
No.
That was sick.
Gary! Oh, no. The front bar. Jesus. I don't need that piece anymore.
You need a couple more.
Yeah, I know. Oh, well, stuff happens.
Hey, the sun is setting. The flames are about to come alive.
Oh, yeah, they are.
I reckon that's the same car that spun out in front of Jason and ruined this car.
Oh, really?
Ah!
Luke.
Ah, Luke! That concludes the night of drifting. Another Friday night drifts in the books and another Reet rundown with Gary himself. How'd you go, mate?
So good. I had so much fun. I've been yelling and my voice is like gone. So I had a sick time. Took like 6 or 7 passengers, made some money, had some fun.
My flame is bigger than yours though.
Yeah, but you big
It's a very exciting car. Sick to have it down here at Friday Night Drifts, and plenty more to come, no doubt.
Hell yeah, for sure.
Cheers, brother, for shredding as always.
Thanks,
and
man.
if you guys want to see more of Gary Marton, he does have a YouTube channel. He's been killing it. Check out his YouTube or Instagram. And mate, all the way to the top. He's going to be an FD next year, so
Nah, 2025.
2025 Drift Masters. Mate, look out, Shanahan's. Cam Martin's coming. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think of Gary and his car. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.